Hello guys, there we have a dishwasher Electrolux ESM64840SX, and today I will show you how you can fill the salt container. So the salt container is located here. To open it you have to turn it to the left side, and if you're doing it for the first time, remember to apply 1 liter of water only for the first time. You should find inside your device this tool, so just put it in, and now just refill your salt storage with the 1 liter of water. After that, just salt. Then just take it out and turn the salt cap to the right side to close it. And basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.